drown in the water, ain't gonna drown in the water, 'cause the good Lord ain't bringing me home. What is up, you guys? What is kicking? I hope you're having a super fabulous day and an awesome week. What was I gonna do today? Oh yes, today, you guys, we're gonna have some fun today because I made this cute little thing, and I want to show you how I did it. It was actually super fun. I didn't really know what I was doing to start out with, but it ultimately turned out really cool. So I'm going to show you how to turn this cute little bag here into something that looks like this. Didn't she come out so adorable? She's so cute. Oh my god, I am totally digging her. I love her. I love the way she turned out. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. So basically, I am just using whatever I have on hand, which turns out to be a bunch of pieces from 1,000,001 different abandoned projects. So I really don't like the white on here. I'm going to turn all of this black, and it is actually a screen print, so it's super easy to color in. I'm just using a Sharpie and I'm coloring right over it. So she's got what looks like little black shorts on, but I want to turn this into something that looks like a little mini skirt. So I'm taking some lace trim that I have, and I am just going to wrap it around her twice and then sew it on. So she's got like these little varsity letters on the front of her jacket, and I'm not feeling it for this look, so I'm going to cover them up with this cute little patch that I got. I can't remember where I got it from. I think it may have been AliExpress, but I'm going to put it right over the top of those. I'm one of those people who can never find a comfortable position, so throughout this video I'm going to be moving all over the place. Now here I am, I have these little like beaded spikes, and they have holes in them so you can sew them onto things. So that's what I'm doing. I feel like she needs some cute little spiky toes and some cute little spiky hands. So I'm sitting here and I'm sewing them on, and there's really no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just making sure they're secure. So now I am making one of my nifty little chokers because I think she needs some spikes around her neck. And I'm going to cover her cute little buttons with these teeny tiny mini little roses that came like 100 in a pack. I think these are from Amazon, and I'm just using some hot glue to secure these on there. And to match those cute little button roses, I'm going to put a big rose on her bow, and I'm just going to secure that with hot glue. Okay y'all, now she needs some hardware in her face. Let's punk this gal up.
So now I think she needs some lashes. I'm taking a pair of lashes that I lost one of the lashes to, so I really just need to cut it in half because her eyelids are just so small, and I'm sticking that on there with some E6000 glue. So now I think she needs a little bit of makeup, some little blush on her cheeks. So what I'm using here is some Angelus paint, and it's flexible because it's made for leather, so it's made to be bendy, so it shouldn't get too hard when I use it on her fur. I do have some fabric paint, but it is in the bedroom and I already put Ducky to sleep, so I can't wake her up right now. So this will have to suffice. And here she is, you guys. Is she just not the cutest little thing? I love her. So if you make your own, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see. And I forgot to film an outro, so thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a fabulous week, and I will see y'all next time.